So hello everybody, it's me again, Hustlers Code, and today we are going to work on a website again. Today we are working particularly on the footer, and as you can see, I made a new section with the ID of features where I represent some information about the website. But this is not like important. As you can see, I made some new CSS also, but no problem for that because we are going to work on main footer. So what do I want to display on the main footer? First of all, I want to show you a new shortcut to get basically a div or a class item. So what I'm going to do is footer box. Now you're gonna press shift and the plus sign or the multiplication sign and then the number of how much you want to display. In my case it's gonna be 3 classes, so I'm going to type 3 and then enter. As you can see, we created 3 new class without all the div, class, footer, etc. You know what I mean? So this is a shortcut and you're going to save a lot of time, so this is important to note. I'm going to make a note here because this is HTML, not CSS. So this is important, guys, because it's a good shortcut. Alright, so in the footer box I want to display like the telephone number of someone, so I'm going to make telephone German, and now let's say I want to display like an image. Not really an image, like how do you call it? Like an icon basically. Like, you know, these icons, if you see something like, you know, the Instagram icon or the Twitter item, like this is the basic thing about it. And there's a very good website to get these icons, and I will write it here down. You can visit it and register for free. And it's also like there's a pro version, but with the free version you could also work and make great websites. So the name of the website is Font Awesome. I'm gonna write it here. fontawesome.com or something. Or was it .com? .com, right. And I'm not sponsored by them or something. So you just know it. Font Awesome, right. And now on the telephone, let's say I want to make a paragraph. I want to make a, so now I make a paragraph. Now I type telephone in, and let's just a random number that doesn't exist. I hope nobody has this number. So now I copied the icon from Font Awesome and put it like how's it called, up head of the telephone. And now I'm going to do the same thing with other things. Let's say location. I forget to make the paragraph. Location. And now I'm going to, I don't know, 0.7 something, bro. I don't know. I think nobody has like something IP address like that. Doesn't matter though, because you could like put a link here and then to put your GPS data, but I'm not going to do that right now. So I just get the icon of Fonted Awesome, and when I got it, like, there are very good icons though, but the majority of them are used with the pro version of it, but you don't really need the pro version. And now I'm going to show you another trick. Because these icons are very like small and we want them to be wider, basically, we are going to use fi minus, and now how times you want to multiply it. As you can see, I had it like here in 3x, but because the footer it's gonna be smaller than the section part of it, I'm going to make it 2x. And I'm going to do the same thing in here. And you could basically do it how much you want, but I prefer to be it smaller than the other things. And now the last part of it, I would say, like, what do you need for a restaurant? You have the telephone. Let's let an email, bro. Like, yeah, an email would be good, and I don't know, zorilla@gmail.com. I don't think somebody has this email address, but it doesn't matter though. And now I'm going to do the same thing. And after that, I should be good with it. So I do the same thing, put it here, fi minus 2x. And this is the footer. Of course, it's not that good because we didn't add it in CSS. So we are going to do it right now. It's a class of footer.box. Was it box? Yeah, it was footer.box. And I'm going to basically copy all of these, but with a slightly different, basically a slightly different kind of thing. So as you can see, we have it like this. Yeah, I could add like this colors of it. So basically BG primary, I could add this, and here also BG primary. So BG primary is something we already did, I think. It just adds like a background color or something. BG primary here is it? Yeah, it adds like a design feature, so like background color, etc. So it's gonna look nicer. And I make the padding of it like 20 pixels. And like the width is important to be 33.3 because like if you divide by three items, like this is the number you should have when you divide it. So every of these things are like in the right, how's it called, like in the right width, right length, however you want to call it. Because this is like really good looking, so I'm going to add like a BR here. Or should I H and HR? I'm gonna look it up. I think HR is better for this. No, the BR is better. The BR is better. I make another BR here so the people are really seeing the difference of it. I could also add like a margin. I think I do that. Let's make a margin 10 pixels. So I now could remove the BRs because I have the margin, but I'm gonna let it there. And yeah, this was it today. I hope you learned something new. We basically made a footer and added some CSS in it. And yeah, have a great day, everybody.